Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. My name is Sahil, I'm a heavy metal musician. When she was 25, they married her off in style. And I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life. Alright folks, so I've got a great recipe for you guys today. In fact, I will go as far as to say this is the best keto dessert recipe in the whole wide world. And what are we making? We are going to be making some peanut butter fingers. Now I know what you're thinking. Sahil, what are peanut butter fingers? Peanut butter fingers! Peanut butter fingers! So good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the best keto dessert in the whole wide world. I hope you didn't mind this little April Fool's gag of mine, but if you are actually looking for some keto friendly dessert recipes, please click here on the I button and check out my dessert recipe playlist. I've got everything from chocolate cake to chocolate chip cookies to a berry swirl cheesecake. You name it, I've got it. Anyway, if this video made you smile or break out into a little bit of a laugh, then please do hit that thumbs up button and like this video. Also, if you want more keto recipes, do subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a single recipe video that I upload. Anyway, till the next episode where I make some legit keto food, I will see you then. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you missed clicking on that I button, just click here and watch the dessert recipe videos I've made so far. Or if you want to check out some of my music, click here and listen to it. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Keep smiling, stay strong, stay safe, stay at home, stay at home, stay at home, stay at home, stay at home and be safe.